So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Do you need to activate your Google Workspace email? Here's how to set up and verify your MX records. First, add the Google Workspace MS records to your domain's DNS settings through your domain registrar or hosting provider. Once you've saved the records, sign into the Google Admin Console and go to Apps, Google Workspace, then Gmail. Click Setup to begin the email configuration. Review the MX Records section and make sure your domain is using the correct Google Mail servers. After the DNS changes have propagated, Google will automatically detect the records and complete the setup. If you want to verify everything manually, use Google Admin Toolbox Check MX, enter your domain name, and run the check to confirm your MX records are configured correctly. And that's it. Your MX records are now set up and your Google Workspace emails should be ready to send and receive messages. If this tutorial helped you out, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tips like this. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.